I'm Valerie Steele, the director of the museum at FIT. Founded by the Fashion Institute of Technology in 1969, the museum at FIT is now celebrating its 50th anniversary. Working with Skira, we've put together this book, Exhibitionism, 50 Years of the Museum at FIT, which looks at 33 of our most influential and important exhibitions. When you go through the book, you'll be looking at exhibitions like Paul Poiret, King of Fashion, produced in 1976 and was the first exhibition ever devoted to Paul Poiret. Or Fashion and Surrealism, 1987, one of the first exhibitions that looked at fashion as an art form and its connection with a particular genre of art. Or The Corset, Fashioning the Body, in 2000, which looked at the most controversial garment in the entire history of fashion. Books like Exhibitionism are playing an increasingly important part in fashion studies, as scholars are looking more and more carefully at the collecting practices of museums and the way exhibitions are mounted. In fact, there's been a host of new books out about museums and fashion exhibitions, to which this makes an important contribution.